Hello, I am thrilled to announce that PernixData is a finalist for two Tech Trailblazer awards, one in storage and one in virtualization. Our innovative Flash hypervisor software lets companies use their existing virtual infrastructure to break free from the vicious cycle of adding more SAN hardware to get more SAN performance. For the first time ever, we let you decouple storage performance from storage capacity, resulting in substantially faster application performance at a fraction of the cost of a storage upgrade. Let me start by giving a quick overview of our company. Located in lovely San Jose, California, PernixData is in the heart of Silicon Valley. The company was founded in early 2012 by leaders in the virtualization community, Poojan Kumar, who's the CEO, and Satya Begani, who's the CTO. The company is privately held with investments from the top VCs in Silicon Valley, including Kleiner Perkins and Lightspeed Ventures. We're also fortunate enough to be working with various industry luminaries who've invested in the company, folks like Mark Leslie, who is the founding CEO of Veritas, John Thompson, the former CEO of Symantec, and Lane Bess, the former CEO of Palo Alto Networks. PernixData solved a major problem in today's virtual data centers. Many of you may not know this, but over 70% of VMware performance-related support calls can ultimately be traced back to bottlenecks in the storage array. And the problem is only getting worse as virtualization becomes more prolific. To date, there's really only one way to solve the storage performance bottleneck, and that was to upgrade the SAN, whether that's add more disk or add more flash to the SAN itself. The problem is that this has many drawbacks. It's expensive, it's disruptive, it requires you to often buy capacity when you don't need it, and it may not even solve your application problems themselves. Now, don't get me wrong, I firmly believe that Flash is the future of storage, and there's a lot of benefits to that. But to use Flash effectively, there's a variety of things that must be needed. One, Flash must be as close to the application itself, i.e. in the host. And two, you need software that makes Flash usable across hosts. This is where PernixData FVP comes in. FVP is the industry's first Flash hypervisor. It's software that clusters server-side Flash into a virtual pool of resources that are used to accelerate reads and writes to primary storage. By delivering reads and writes locally right next to the application, FVP dramatically reduces VM latency from milliseconds to microseconds. In addition, it delivers a true platform for scale-out storage performance. And here's what I mean. Your classic mid-range SAN costs about $100,000 and only delivers about 50,000 IOPS or IOs per second. When PernixData is deployed just on two hosts running very inexpensive flash, in this case about a $500 flash card, you can already see that you're getting over twice the IOPS as a SAN alone. The beauty is, if you need more IOPS, all you have to do is add more inexpensive flash to the PernixData cluster. In this case, you can quadruple or even get 6 times more IOPS, still at a fraction of what it would cost to upgrade your actual SAN. So this brings us back to the Tech Trailblazers Award. As shown, there's a huge market opportunity for what PernixData does. It's really applicable to any company with a virtual application and a shared storage infrastructure. We have an extremely innovative solution in that we're the first Flash hypervisor out there to solve this problem. And it's extremely non-disruptive. So while we're dramatically changing the way you architect storage, our software is deployed in minutes with no changes to your VMs, no changes to your hosts, and no changes to your storage. So these are the true hallmarks of a true trailblazing company, and why we feel PernixData is a clear choice for both the storage and virtualization categories of this year's Tech Trailblazer Awards. So thank you for your time. For more information, please visit us on Twitter or go to our website at PernixData.com.